Cleaning the inside of your car roof, or headliner, can be a bit tricky since it's often made of delicate materials. However, with the right tools and methods, you can keep it looking fresh and clean. White vinegar is a fantastic and natural option for cleaning your car roof from the inside. It can help to remove stains, odors, and grime without using harsh chemicals. Start by mixing a solution of equal parts of white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Lightly mist the solution onto a microfiber cloth, making sure not to oversaturate it, as too much liquid can damage the headliner. Gently blot the fabric with the damp cloth, focusing on areas with stains or buildup. Once the dirt is loosened, wipe the area down with a clean, dry microfiber cloth to remove excess moisture. The vinegar will not only clean, but also help neutralize any odors, leaving your car's interior looking fresh and refreshed. Liquid soap is a gentle yet effective cleaning solution for your car roof. To clean your car roof from the inside, start by mixing a solution of liquid soap and rubbing alcohol in a spray bottle. Lightly spray the solution onto a microfiber cloth or sponge, not directly onto the headliner, to avoid oversaturation. Use the dampened cloth to gently blot and wipe down the fabric, working in small sections. Once you have cleaned the roof, use a dry microfiber cloth to wipe away any excess moisture and ensure the headliner dries properly. This method effectively lifts dirt and stains, leaving your car roof clean and refreshed. A car roof cleaner spray is a convenient and effective solution, designed specifically for cleaning the interior of your vehicle's headliner. Armor All Multi-Purpose Cleaner is designed to give your car that just detailed look, effectively cleaning a variety of surfaces. It's perfect for tackling tough dirt, dust, and grime, leaving your car looking fresh and spotless. Stubborn stains may require some scrubbing, and it's important not to let the cleaner dry on surfaces. It won't harm automotive surfaces while making cleaning easy and efficient. With a little effort and the right tools, your car's roof will stay spotless for longer.